A cat with an astonishing 28 toes has become the world's best lockpicker, starring in a heist comedy like no other. With each paw boasting an extra set of dexterous digits, this feline felon can crack open safes with the ease and precision of a seasoned thief. It's not just a quirky cat trick, it's a game-changer in the world of high-stakes heists. Picture a sleek, mischievous tabby slinking through shadows, paws deftly manipulating tumblers and bolts, while its human accomplices stand in awe. This isn't just a whimsical tale, it's a thrilling caper where the cat's unique ability turns ordinary heists into nail-biting adventures. As the authorities scramble to make sense of the claw-marked crime scenes, the cat's reputation as the ultimate lock-picking legend only grows. In a world where the line between crime and comedy blurs, this toe-talented tabby is the unexpected mastermind, proving that sometimes, the